Hi guys, I wanted to show you something a little bit different today, something fun for your walls that only cost me $6. So first you're going to need a Dollar Tree project board. Now if you don't want to make yours as large as mine, you can just use regular foam board or a poster board or some cardboard. And this rug, I picked it up at Five Below for $5. So you'll need a fluffy rug. And here I'm just tracing the rug on my cardboard. Now you'll need to cut the circle out smaller than the actual size of your rug. I have been looking on Etsy at a similar wall decoration and it's almost $200. It's like $179. So I decided I'd try to make one a lot cheaper and see if I like it before I spend that kind of money on it. But this is how it looks with the circle cut out of the cardboard. So I would recommend using something thicker like cardboard, not poster board for this. I am using Gorilla Glue hot glue sticks and Gorilla Glue hot glue gun. If you read the reviews on it, it has really good reviews and I really like it. And also I am using some of this quilt batting to make it a little bit more padded looking or thicker looking. So I'm just tracing the padding to fit the cardboard, then hot gluing the padding onto the cardboard. Next, I am hot gluing the cardboard to the rug, and I am using some clamps while I'm doing this. So I'm hot gluing a little bit, then adding a clamp. That way it holds it in place until it has time to dry. Dollar Tree has a couple different size clamps that you can use, or you could use clothespins or chip clips. And this is how it looks. If you do not want to make yours as large as mine, you can cut it to whatever size you would like. I am making this one to go over my bathtub in my bathroom. And so this is how it looks. And then I just took my brush and just kind of, brushed through it. And then I used my hands to kind of shape it the way I wanted to, just ran my fingers through it. To hang it up, I just hot glued some ribbon across the back and then let the hot glue dry before I hung it up. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and share. And this only cost me around $6. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. So just click the subscribe button. And thank you so much for watching. And I hope you have a wonderful day and stay safe.